welcome back to the channel. I am Lindy, aka Paleobarbie. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. This is going to be a day of eating carnivore. I'm trying to get all the things in before we start BBB and E. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. We are going to start on the 1st if you want to join us. All the information's on there. And Dr. Barry has a video about BBB and E that you can watch and tell you exactly what you should be eating on the challenge. So we'll start that on the 1st. This is like I said, this is a day of eating, but I also wanted to talk about, like, I don't know, I'm looking forward to this challenge because you guys know me. I do all these things. I do 75 hard. I I'm really good at sticking to what I need to do. But since I got back from Colorado, in Colorado I was doing well. I was eating more good carnivore, except Casa Bonita. But then I was walking every day, doing great. Now that I'm back home, it's just I've just had the hardest time getting motivated, and I think it's just because all my whole routine is thrown off from before I left. When my husband, if you've been around, you know that my husband lost his job, so he is doing contract work for them, but at home a couple of hours in the morning, and then he's filing for he has his unemployment, but he's applying for jobs and all those things as well. But so he's home, grandkids around. It just throws me off. The grandkids I'm used to being around. It's just it's thrown my whole routine off is what I'm trying to say. I don't know about y'all, but it's different for me. So I'm just having a hard time getting focused and motivated for that reason, but also just it's such a weird time in our lives right now. We traveled up there to see our new grandbaby, which is awesome. And just all the different things going on, whether it's baby chicks or, school or my other job, things like that. So, and I'm coaching, like I said, I'm coaching now, so I've got different things going on at the same time. So it's kind of throwing me off. So I need y'all's motivation. Y'all do this challenge with me. I need you to motivate me. So anyway, let's just get to the day of eating. All right, first meal of the day. I've got 3 pieces of bacon and some scrambled eggs. Pretty simple. All right, guys, I got a package I wanted to share with you guys. These are mythology candles, and they come out with themes every so often. Different themes of sets of candles that they come out with. And this is the 2 they sent me this time. This one is Paleobarbie, can't even say it right, Awakening, and their candles smell so good. The packaging is always great. Tree of Life. Let me get the other one open. And this one is Mermaid. Perfect. I'm going to smell it. Every one of them smell so good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I do have a link for them. I am an affiliate for them, so if you ever want to order any, you can check my link tree down below for these awesome candles. They are, as you can see, really nice wicks. They burn a really long time. This one has a little bit different wick because it's a smaller one. That smells good too. Nice and fresh. But they're really, really well-made candles. And also the lady that makes them, her name is Leah. She's a singer and she homeschools, I believe. So she has CDs as well. But this is her candle company. So give them a try, you guys. I'm excited. It really does smell good, you guys. What's not better than a little candle self-care, right? All right, for dinner, I am making some little cube steaks and some carnivore mac and cheese because got to get all that cheese in before I start beef, bacon, butter, and eggs on the 1st. And I had quite a few shrimp, so we're making the sauce right now. And I got all the bacon chopped, and I'm going to show you when it's all put together. Got pork rinds for the top. If you haven't tried this recipe, it's over on Two Crazy Ketos page, or on their website, on their YouTube. So it's very, very delicious. All right, we just threw these cube steaks in here in the air fryer for about 15 minutes, so that's going to be those. And then let me show you the carnivore mac and cheese before it goes in the oven. This is the carnivore mac and cheese. It's going in the oven till it gets nice and bubbly and yummy looking and golden brown, and I'll show you that when it's done. All right, here is my plate. This is a cube steak with the carnivore mac and cheese served on top of it, which sounds delicious, and I can't wait. And everybody's acting crazy, so this is dinner. All right, guys, thanks for watching this day of eating. Thanks for putting up with all my crazy, loud family, and putting up with me not being motivated. And hopefully that will get a little bit better starting today. So, all fingers crossed, all the things that we'll get this. That I'll get myself together. This hot mess. Anyway, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do all the YouTube things before you leave.